You guys?
What are you doing?
I was doing my chemistry work, but I don't understand about this topic.
This topic. Oh, this topic.
Do you know?
Yes. I found this one video that explain about this topic. Let's watch it together.
Let's go.
Let's start with one of the apparatus that can be found in the laboratory. Analytical balance. There are some precautions that must be followed due to its high sensitivity. So first, the balance should be switched on at least 30 minutes before use to allow the electronic system to stabilize. Remember, hot samples should never be weighed immediately. Wait until you reach room temperature to avoid inaccurate mass readings.
No!
Do not put the sample aggressively on the analytical balance like this. It is because the moisture and oils from the skin may contaminate the sample and affect the accuracy of the measurements. But instead, handle the waving container carefully by its edges and ensure that the sliding doors of the analytical balance are fully closed before recording the final reading to prevent air currents from interfering with the measurements.
Now, I will tell you about volumetric apparatus and titration techniques. This is a burette used to transfer precise volume of solution using a pipette pump. Next, we have burette used to dispense and measure the volume of the liquid. It is primarily used for titration experiment. Lastly, we have a conical flask used to mix and store chemical solutions. The unique shape allows swirling of solution without spilling. So, the first step is to wash all the apparatus using distilled water to remove all the impurities before we added the chemical used for titration. Before we start the experiment, the burette will be filled with specific chemical solution. This is to ensure that the concentration of the solution is not altered by any remaining droplets of distilled water. Next, empty the solution out through the top and open the stopcock to let the liquid drain through the tip. Perform this rinsing process at least 2 to 3 times to guarantee no traces of residual water remain. For safety measure, you have to make sure the burette placed below your eyes level to prevent the solution from spills or splashing. Before starting the titration, eliminate the air bubbles in the tip by quickly opening and closing the stopcock. This is because it is to prevent an incorrect volume readings. Lastly, start the titration drop by drop and swirling the conical flask until you get the changes of the color.
So that's all for my part. Let's watch the next part.
Next, I will explain about heating apparatus and desiccator used in the laboratory. In an analytic chemistry laboratory, heating apparatus are important because many experiments need sample to be heated or dried. Different equipment is used depending on the temperature needed and the type of the sample. Some examples of heating apparatus are hot plate, Bunsen burner, water bath, laboratory oven, and furnace. A hot plate is used to heat sample without a flame. A Bunsen burner provides direct heating using a flame. A water bath is used for gentle and even heating, making it suitable for heating sensitive sample. Laboratory ovens are used to remove moisture from sample, while furnaces are used for very high temperature. After a sample is heated in an oven, it should not be left to cool in open air because it can absorb moisture from the surrounding air. This can affect the weight of the sample. To prevent this, a desiccator is used. A desiccator is an airtight container that contains a drying agent such as silica gel. It provides a dry environment for sample to cool before weight and helping to improve the accuracy of the analytical result. To keep the desiccator working properly, grease such as petroleum gel is applied around the lid to maintain an airtight seal. The lid should be opened by sliding it sideways instead of lifting it straight up.
That's all from my part. Thank you.
Next, I will explain about reagent grades and cleaning solutions. This is an excess solution. Many people think we can put the excess solution back inside the bottle. However, you need to dispose the excess solution into this SW or scheduled waste bottle. I'm going to show you guys the other cleaning product that we use to clean the glassware. Firstly, we had diluted nitric acid or NHO3 that were used to remove a thin film and deposit that sticks around the glass surfaces. Secondly, we had a dichromate sulfuric acid solution. This solution is a very strong cleaning agent, so you guys have to wear an eye protection all the time while preparing or using these solutions. Okay, and then the third one is aqua regia. This is solution or mixture solution of a 3 part of HCl and 1 part of NHO3. It is highly corrosive and dangerous, so you guys are advised to wear gloves and goggles while using this solution to clean the glassware. This aqua regia was used to clean a very stubborn organic residue. And last but not least, we are using ultrasonic cleaning. Glassware is immersed in the detergent solution and cleaning using high frequency acoustic energy. Usually, they use a 40 kHz or higher to dislodge dirt and residue. So now we all know that we have other solutions that we could use to clean the glassware in the lab other than just use soap and water. So remember everyone, always wear goggles and gloves when using this type of solutions, okay? Lastly, we are going to talk about the reagent grades. Firstly, we have the analytical reagent or AR grades. It was the highest purity with a very low impurities. Second, we have laboratory reagent LR grade. It was a good purity but not as high as AR grades. Third are chemically pure CP grades, fairly pure but impurity limits are not strictly controlled. Fourth are technical grade, the lowest purity and contains more impurities.
So, do you understand after watching this video about the topic?
Yes, I do understand after watching that video. Thanks you guys.
Welcome!
So, choose your apparatus with precision, execute your technique with care,
And handle your reagents with caution.
That's all from us.
Thank you!